Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. You'll be watching n number of videos of fireworks on this channel. And this is our New Year stash. It just arrived this morning around 3 a.m. I just went over 3 a.m. and till 5 a.m. I was outside in the cold and I just bought all these crackers only exclusive for you guys. So to make you happy. So please subscribe and share this video as much as you can. So let's get started. So we'll start with this small box first and later we'll shift to that big box. I'm expecting this box doesn't spoil my surprise. So the small box did spoil few surprises which I wasn't expecting, but no worries, we still have a lot more surprises in this big box which you'll be very happy by seeing. So let's get started with this big box. So guys, as you can see, this is my New Year stash, and this stash basically covers each and every product of Sony under each category. Like there are many series, high-tech series, Big Duo series, as you can see, the Bruce Lee, and the Bad Boys, which comes under 4-inch shell, and Bollywood, which comes under 5 inches category, that is 5-inch a different series. So each and every series is being covered in this video and in this stash, as you can see, from smallest, from 12 shots to the smallest sky comets which are available. So basically I had a motive that I give you knowledge on what exactly Sony has the products and each category considering each product from every series. So that was my motive. So let's get started and open each and every box and show you how exactly the product looks inside. So guys, in this video I'm not going to cover each and every product's price detail because the video will go lengthy. So what I was thinking is I'll just put each and everything regarding the prices in the description so that you can just go and check out, and I will also mention the website where I bought from, so it will be easy for you to get to your hometown.
So the first item which we are going to unbox is Sky Blue. This is basically a 7 color shot and it comes under the category called repeating shooter. There are multiple products under repeating shooter such as Dance or Dance, 25th Hour, The Prince and the Frog. But out of those, I liked this very much because this was very colorful and I watched many YouTube videos. So I just bought this. Let's just peel this off and see how the size of the shells are. So the fuse is a bit stuck here, so let's just carefully open this. Okay, as you can see there are 7 shells. Let me count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 multicolor shots. So this is Sky Blue. So let's just keep this aside. Now the next product will be Space Comet, I suppose. Yeah, Space Comet. So this is a small sky shot, I can say, and this comes in 5 pieces. There is one more sky shot of the same kind, and the one is War in the Sky. Yeah, so these two are like small sky shots which comes in this category, and I have bought this in my Diwali stash for 2018. You can just check out, and these are around maybe 80 rupees. I'll just provide the link in the description for the Crackers site as well as the price, so you can see the manufacturing date as well. So the next product with us is Super Blazer. I basically have this 2 pieces. So Super Blazer comes under bombs category. Let's just see what exactly is inside it. Okay, so this is a Lakshmi bomb, and this is typically Lakshmi bomb which comes in 5 pieces, but the fuse is a bit different here. This is neatly packed, and there is guarantee that, I mean, definitely this will burst and it will not peel off in any manner because it is neatly packed and the fuse is very tight. As you can see, the quality is also very good, and the pieces which I've got is 10, as you can see, and this was around maybe 60, I'm not sure. Please find the prices in the description. The next category is Millennium Crackers. This also comes under bomb category, and I think this will be also some kind of Lakshmi bomb. Let's see what exactly is inside it. Okay, my guess was correct. So okay, let me just remove this cover. Yeah, so this is like a small Lakshmi, and it comes in 20 pieces, same kind of fuse. So let's just compare this with the Lakshmi which we just opened and see how exactly it differs. So as you can see, it is very small comparatively. Let's just keep this aside. And coming to our next product, so this is one of my favorites, that is Crackling Shot Green, and this time I bought Golden Dragon as well. So let's keep this Crackling Shot Green aside and open this Golden Dragon. So I saw many YouTube videos and the YouTubers say that Golden Dragon is very good. It's basically that it comes in golden color, as our green crackling and red crackling comes in green and red colors. So the size is same, but the packing is a bit different. So this will be very good. So let's just keep this aside. Coming to our next box. So this is a Rainbow Smoke, As you can see, it is something like the standard rainbow's fog, but it is perfumed. And I think this comes in two pieces. Let's just open and have a look over it. I actually bought this rainbow fog or rainbow smoke just to have a brief description of what exactly a rainbow fog looks in Sony fireworks. And to check the quality as well. The quality is what actually matters. So yes, my guess was correct. It comes in two pieces, and these pieces are a bit thicker in size. Let me just open this. As you can see, it is thicker, and the fuse is also good. I'm expecting this will be very good when I light this. So coming to our next product, this is Thriller. I think this is a 2.5-inch shell, and it comes in three pieces, and it also comes under a fancy sky shots category. Let's just open this and have a look over the shell size. Okay, it was three pieces, and yeah, it is a 2.5-inch shell, as you can see. And so basically I bought all these to just cover all the categories under Sony, and you can go through the sonyfireworks.com and check out all categories. So coming to our next product, it's Star Night. This is basically like Penta Sky Flash in Cock brand. I bought actually the two boxes because it's very good when I watched YouTube videos. So let's just see how the size of the shell is. So it does come with a stand, and as you can see, these are 5 pieces. Star Night by Sony Fireworks. The next product is Siren. So this is already covered in my Diwali stash, and you can watch the YouTube video as well. I have already uploaded it. I just bought this to open this and see exactly what a siren consists of. And now the next box is King of Kings. This is like typical Nazi bombs, which you can see. And as I said, this is also bought by me only to check how a Sony Nazi will be, like the green bombs. As you can see, it is thicker in thicker in color, and the size is also very good. So the next product which we are going to cover is Jadoo. This is basically a 3-inch shell which comes under the category called Evershine Novelties. And there are many other items in this category, such as Flash Queen, Samurai, Chamma Chamma. So these are the famous ones which you have seen in YouTube. But this Jadoo, I suppose there isn't any YouTube video available. So I just thought let me cover this, and it would be helpful for the guys who want to buy this product. So as you can see, the size is pretty fine, but the length is not that much. And let me see. Yeah, as you can see in the wide angle, it's a bit short but thicker in size. The width is fine, and the color which is present is green. So I think this is like a emerald green. So let's see how this goes when I light this. So now comes the product American Delight. This is basically a drop-up series category, and this comes in 3 pieces. So this effect is also very good, and they call it drop-up series because the effect will be something like a willow, which comes in a spherical or a circular shape, as you can see on the top. So let's just check out the size of these shells. So maybe a 2.5-inch shell, and yeah. So now let's just keep this aside. The next product which we are going to cover is 7 Shot. So this is basically Sony Vinayaga 7 shot, which comes in 5 pieces. It's something like the crackling shots, red and green, and yeah, as you can see, and we have crackling shot red as well. So I've covered every crackling shots and 7 shots in all the categories, and this also comes under the fancy shots category. The next box is Spice Butterfly. I actually bought this considering that this would be like a butterfly which comes in standard, but I don't think this is like a butterfly because the box is a bit bigger, and the display is looking as a fountain. So I might be right or I might be wrong. Let's just check out. Okay, I was right. It's like a fountain. It's not a butterfly like the typical butterfly which comes in standard. The size of the fountains are pretty good. Let's see how these will be. The next product is Akash Chakkar. So as the name indicates, you know this is like a chakri, like a ground chakkar, and it comes in 5 pieces. And yeah. So the next box is celebration crackers. I definitely am sure that this is also some kind of Lakshmi because all the crackers thing which came with the boxes were Lakshmis, and the weight of this box is pretty good. So I'm considered to be a different Lakshmi, maybe a bigger size. So let's see. So I'm finding a bit harder to open this box because it is bit stuck here. Okay, so I finally got the box, and yes, I was correct. This is also some kind of Lakshmi, but it is differently packed with a Vinayaka wrapper, and the size is also pretty good. So I'll just have a comparing video with all the Lakshmis and the other Lakshmis which you watched in my stash, like the Diwali stash leftover, so that it would be a good video of the sound comparison of all the Lakshmi categories. And you can see the manufacturing date. It's I think it is a freshly packed, but okay, it's January 2018. So the next product is Italian Dream. This also comes under drop up series. Basically there are two categories in drop up series as well. So drop up series is only a category, but in that also we have two categories. So as you saw, American Delight, it comes in 3 pieces, but it is Italian Dreams comes in 2 pieces. So this is something like silver, and the size is a bit same. So I just wanted to cover each and every category which would be helpful for you, and you can see the manufacturing date as well. So the next item is Finland, and now this is a Euro series. So basically there are different like city names, I would say, like Paris, London, Finland, Berlin, which are all like very good series. And I just bought Finland. I basically ordered Paris. I think there wasn't availability of this Paris product, so they just gave me Finland. This is also a pretty nice sky shot. I watched a YouTube video of one of our YouTubers. It looked good actually. So let's just see the sizes of these Finland pieces. Okay, this is like a 2.5-inch shell, I suppose, and the color is something like the golden. Okay, so let's just keep this aside. So the next product which we have is Blueberry. This is a 2 3x4-inch shell, and the category name is Budget Aerial. And as you can see, let's just open this and see how the size is. And the different products in this category is something like Pogo, Orange, White Chicks, and I just got this Blueberry. So the size is pretty fine, 2 3x4, and the display is not mentioned here on the description like every product has. But anyways, let's just see when we light this particular thing. The next product which we have is World Wonders. This is something like our crackling red and crackling green, I suppose, or else it's something like the Penta Sky Flash. I'm not pretty sure, so we need to try this. Now the next category is Silver Tail. This is the smallest sky shot I can say in Sony, and for a lesser price. Let's see how the size of the shells are. So as you can see, these are the smallest ones I can say, which comes with a stand as well. So the next product which we have is serpent egg big. So this is basically the typical serpent eggs which we used to light in our childhood days, and nowadays we don't light them, but I just bought to just showcase you how a Sony serpent eggs would be. So as you can see, there are 5 packets and each packet consists of few foils, and yeah, so we'll just light them off all at once and see how the effect is, because it's been a while I have like used all these. Now we are going to cover this silver drops, and this was actually a unexpected product. There was this product called Lily Mongolia which I wanted, which comes under bombs category, but that was not available, so he just gave me this other product. The price was a bit high of silver drops, but he didn't ask me. Around 60 rupees was not being asked for me. That was a good thing from the shopkeeper. And as you can see, it is coming in 3 pieces, and the effect is something like this. So this is a drop up series. Now the next product is a Neela Angels. This is a 3.5 inch shell which comes under a category called high fashion. And if you guys have any idea of the 3.5 inch high fashion shells, you'll be knowing the names like Popcorn, Magic Pop Pop, and Golden Octopus. And Golden Octopus is already covered in my Diwali Stash 2018. You can have a look over the video. So these are very good shells, and they cover a good height and as well as the width in the sky. So Neela Angels was one of the good products, so I just bought it. And guys, as you can see, our subscribers are close to hit 1000, so please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed till now, because I'm thinking to do something unique on 1000 subscribers hit. So now we have the shells ready. I don't think there is a description available on this product. So yes, there is no description, but when we just burst these crackers or test these crackers, we'll get to know how exactly these are. So let's just keep them aside. The next product which we have is Oi Bubbly. This actually comes under fancy shots. I think this is like a 2.5 inch shell, and comes in maybe 3 pieces and 2 pieces, I'm not sure. Let's check out. So yes, my guess was correct. It comes in 3 pieces, and the effect is something like this, same as silver drops. The next product which we have is Rock and Roll. This is a Vinayaga firework, and this is a 3.5 inch shell which comes under a category called Sky Jumpers. So Sky Jumpers basically is a category where you'll be having multiple sky shots coming from a single sky shot. So the famous example is Cactus Rain. You can just have a look of the video in my Diwali Stash 2018. So the display is mentioned here on the product. As you can see, it is a very good product, I suppose. There isn't a video available on YouTube, so I just bought this so that I can check out how the product is. Now the next thing is a solar laser. This is also a 3.5 inch shell, and the series is Jolly Day series, and the famous products are something like Lash and Flash, Mars Attack, Mercury Flash. So let's just see the size of this product. So as you can see here, the description is also given of the different products under this category: Mars Attack, City Night. So these are all the products under this category. So basically we are covering each and every category under Sony Fireworks to have a brief idea of what are all the available products in Sony. So the size of the shell is pretty good, but I think the description is not mentioned. As you can see, nowhere the description is mentioned, but it's fine. Now comes Porto Gold. This is basically a 3-inch shell which is called 2-in-1 aerials. So there are different products under this category as well, something like Rang Aur Rang, Huggy Muggy, Star and Sun. So there are many videos available on YouTube, you can just check out. So I actually liked this one more of all the products. And there was one more product which is Rang Bouquet, which I didn't find and the stock was not available. So the next like favorite product was Porto Gold, so I just bought this. As you can see, the size of the shells are pretty thin comparatively to the other 3.5-inch shells, but the length is fine. Like length is, the height is good. And we have two colors, one is blue and one is gold. So now comes the 5-inch tropical series, so that is Bollywood. So there are many products under this 5-inch tropical series. The latest one which we bought for Diwali 2020 is as you can see Velvet. It was pretty good. So let's just open this and see the size of these shells. So the shells are pretty same as the Velvet, and they are good in size and the height as well. And the description is mentioned somewhere here. Yeah, so the description, as you can see, it is very good. So now we are left with my favorite one, that is Bad Boys. So I was thinking of having this as a hands-on from a long time. Finally I got this. So I'm not going to open this as of now because it is not as a box. There are two pieces separated. This is a very good shell, and this comes under a 4-inch category, high fashion, something like our Naya Naya Pyar, which is one of our favorite shells. You can see the price and the date of manufacturing. So now comes the Big Duo series. So this is the Big Duo series 5-inch shell from Sony Fireworks. As you can see, the quality, the finishing of this product and the packing is very good. And comes, goes, shines, bigger, higher, brighter. So see, this is a very good shell, and I think, once you get hands-on on this particular thing, you'll be not regretting the money you spent on this particular thing. So let's just open and see the size of these shells. Literally guys, these shells are like too good, and it's awesome. Like the graphics is completely different comparing to all the shells which I have just unboxed, as you can see, and the size is also pretty high. I think you will not regret buying this. So please do get if it is available to your nearest retailer or wholesaler. This is a very good shell, and this actually comes a few times in red colors and green colors, but anyways the effect will be same for each product. So let's see how this goes when we light this. Now comes our final product, that is Power. It is a 60 shot. If you have watched my Enjoy 240 shots video, it is something like this, but that is 240 and it is 60. That's it. And I recently watched a YouTube video on this Power 60. It was pretty fine, but not as effective I was thinking, because they were not going repeatedly. But let's see how the shells are inside, and I think this should be fine. And this is basically coming under the category called repeated mega jumpers, and this is the smallest price of this particular category, whereas we have the big things, something like Hollywood, Euro 2, Scorpion King. These are all coming under mega repeaters, and this is the starting price of it. So I just bought it to cover, because we were having this concept something like covering each and every category's product. So I just bought this. In future we'll be getting everything and each and every product as well available in Sony. So as you can see, we have two fuses here. I think when we light these two fuses, then the repetitive things automatically happen, but I'm not pretty sure if I'll be doing that until and unless I light this. I'll not open this as of now, because there is no need. So that's it guys, we are done with the unboxing. So now we are going to post the videos of testings, comparing, and as well as like opening and checking the product if at all needed. So please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed, because as you can see we are close to 1000. So once we hit that 1000 subscribers, I am going to do something unique with these products. So please make sure that happens, and please like, share the video, and please do comment if at all you are interested in any product of Sony. Please let me know. I will definitely bring that product, not now, maybe in a different stash. I'll definitely try to cover that. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you.